Passat B8 GTE, changing the low frequency, the low tone horn, since it's not easy to gain access from the front. The way to do it is from the side, so just taking the wheel off and then just taking this panel away, and there's a horn. It's right there. So I've unplugged it, so it's just one 10mm bolt and it's off. It's easy as that. Alright, this is what I did with the horn. The horn was actually fine, but the issue was either bad contact or just lots of dirt inside. So what I did is I sprayed lots of WD-40 inside, then gave it a good shake, and I also cleaned it with some brake cleaner as well, again sprayed inside. So I did series of bolt a few times, gave it a good clean. But there's also another issue with this connector. You can take it off, so there are like 3 clips holding it, one from this side, one in the middle, and one on the other side. So take it out, it's very easy, just undo these clips and clean the 2 contact surfaces as well, and put it back on and it will work, and just install it back on the car. That's all.